Hello, hello, hello. Okay, sounds good. I just needed to mellow. There you go. Okay, I fixed it. I got music now. Okay, so what I need, let me. There you go. Okay, I see the chat's here. Perfect. Yeah, I guess I'm reading the documentation. Yeah, I want the newbie guy. Yeah, see what's up here. Okay, that's how I do it. It was immediately there. It was immediately there. It was immediately there. Why did AI take that long to tell me, man? Why is Gemini playing against me now? Okay, so I get that's it. Does that work? Like, can I just do this instead of? But I'm also using that to determine the animation though. So I need to use these variables, I guess. I guess that can be X, but no. Let me think. Let me think. Let me think about this. It happens every second, every frame. Should I do it here? Do I need speed? Probably not, because input just one. Okay. If I get rid of this, if I get rid of all of this, guys commented also in case something goes wrong, and I just do this instead. And I have this, I guess, direct. Oh. Okay. Okay, so that no, exists like a reserve variable in this game. Okay. So it literally immediately changes the X. So that's what happens here, huh? Okay, yeah, I see. But I need to take this H input apparently, or that's what it wants to do. At least in order to play the animation. But this, yeah, maybe that's why the AI didn't want to tell me that, because it ruins the logic of this if else statement that I'm using. But then all I need to do is check if X change in the last few. Oh, well, that seems so complicated. Okay, I guess I gotta see if it works to begin with. Yeah, fair now, those don't even exist, so it will give me issues. Can I comment all these out? Comment selection? No, bro, like the whole thing. Okay? Does that work? Because I technically, I guess I need to use the... Okay. Yeah, it works for horizontal, so I just need to do the vertical, I guess. Oh shit. Is up or down the positive or the negative? Ooh, I can check real quick. I'm already here. Doesn't open automatically. There you go. Okay, yeah, it is just like this, but animation does not play. So then I need to figure it out. Maybe I can make my good old AI do it. So, yeah, right. Let's see what he says, you know, that way maybe he can do the thinking for me a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, I didn't want to do it this way. Mm. I wonder how he does that. Okay, I guess I get it. Oh, I see. You know, it's funny. That's how I used to do it when I was doing root motion movement in Unreal. Basically the same numbers. For the angles, that's funny. Does that work? Well, let me try this. I think it should work. Give me a number here. Point distance. What is point distance? point distance in between the two directions, I guess. I'll try it. Check it out. That's pretty good. He just actually gets the the coordinates of the direction where he's going, and then sets the speed on it. That's pretty good. The left one. $45 is greater than 45 and lower than 135. Lower than 135. Oh, he'll use those numbers. Because 45 degrees. Yeah, I guess that is the cone. Well, he does the worst thing that unlike him. I fix him. Yeah, he does. Is that the way I want to do? I want him to look back. I guess looking to the side is a more interesting animation. Okay, now this one, I guess. So I want him to be. What is he doing right now? From what we want to try to go right. Yeah, this guy. You only one not might be enough. Oh, what's it to? No, it's actually to 11 though, right? I messed it up. So it's actually like that. You see that doesn't. Okay, that seems to be the way to do it cleanly. And now, the moment of truth, I need to connect my controller. See if this actually works. Cool. Oh, that's interesting. You can only move on straight diagonals, so in the controller it seems a little choppy. Because I get the direction. Oh, yeah, I feel super choppy because of what it did, huh? You can only move like perfectly diagonal or perfectly straight. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, it doesn't work. Okay, that works pretty. Oh no, no, right there. Perfect degrees. Like what he has to say. Okay, he's blaming the logic itself. But I don't think that's true. Yeah, that doesn't need to be true. Yeah, the logic doesn't have nothing to do with it. He's fucking with me. I just need to. Yeah, the problem is that of this point direction thing there. Then let me read through whatever this function is doing. Guys, you can sprint there. I forgot. I didn't say the printing, the debug log thing. I'm just gonna ask it to print. Um. Oh. Yeah, I guess it might be right now. I see what he's saying. The diagonal might be a problem, but it seems like a normal thing on 2D development. Let's see how much a problem it is. Okay, it might be fine. Yeah, okay. It is a little laggy. It kind of feels worse than the keyboard. Right? Yeah, no, actually, yeah, I see what he's saying. That might need the. Okay. I apologize, Mr. Oracle. Let me see what you're thinking here. So this thing that you're offering right here didn't work last time at all, man. Like it didn't even exist as an option. But let's do this time, see what it does. Play it. Let me see it. Doesn't exist. Input access value is apparently not a thing. Okay, I'm gonna read it for no more than 2 seconds this time. It checks. Oh man. Okay. Let's leave it at this for now. This will work for now. And let's say it works, you know? That means now my gamepad's working. And the keyboard working. What else? What is next that I need to get working? That's the real question. Okay, yeah, I guess I do know what the next thing is. So I wanna make it so my character looks toward the direction of the right pad. So this guy. Yeah. Okay, let's check how to do that. Yeah, let's ask. Simply ask. Okay. Okay, great stuff. Yeah, wait. There it is. It's not a thing. Yeah, that makes sense for now. I cannot believe. What the hell? Why didn't you tell me that before? Is this a thing, man? Is that it? Who did this? Who did this? Are the closest already set up, man? They might be. I think I had him here. Oh, bro, he's doing it right there. Why did I have to look it up at it first before he showed it to me? This is being more complicated than I thought it was gonna be, man. What is this? What you mean keeping it modular? The pro implementation, what an asshole, man. This guy's an ass of it. No way! Yeah, man. Bro, I gotta tell him, man. This guy needs to know what this code seems. Let me look at the code actually. Direction distance. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that should be clean. Yeah, I don't need to. Yeah, bro. Yeah, fair enough. I forgot the signature of this. I guess I know what distance takes. Oh, yeah, this takes actually only one. Huh? There we go. How about that? Well, I still don't have a name on an actual cluster for it here. I'm gonna need to make a, yeah. Can he make them by themselves? I need to name it. Eh? Okay, so that's one thing. Now I need to do the lookup. Can I copy paste them, bro? I don't want to do it. Sure. That's annoying. I have to do it manually. Oh, I see. No, fuck, bro. I could paste it. Just like this. Yeah. Secondary. What the hell? Um, yeah, I don't. Oh no. Okay, now see that's actually. Uh, Also, in the what is the folder called? Input. No, the right to the mouse. Yeah, I'm gonna need help for that. There it is. Input mouse Y. Okay. Does that work? The input mouse thing? Mm. 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 Purple. Yeah. Does that mean it doesn't exist? Okay, okay. Let's see how that works. Yeah, I already messed up line 54. Yeah, that the stuff does not exist. He did let me. Okay, back to this guy mouse. Mouse. Okay, this one. How about now? Is that good enough? That. Oh. That is the. That is dumb. The right one doesn't work, I guess, but. The right joystick does not seem to be working, but it does do it with the mouse. Cool. Yeah. Do like this. The controller. Prioritize the mouse over not the controller over the mouse. The hell is input source? That's not even here, is it? That ain't a thing. Input source not a thing. I guess I'll try the easy way first. Just delete this. Can I just delete that? Dang. Yeah, input show is not a thing. Fair enough, but I thought I deleted it. I did not fair. There you go. Try that again. No, the gamepad does nothing. The right joystick does nothing. It must be because I didn't set it up, man. There it is. That's those. They're the same. Gamepad axis. Okay, I see. Maybe he gave it to me actually here. Left, right, okay. Okay. Pad U, pad D, pad L, pad R. Okay. Okay, I see. I see. That was my mistake. That was my mistake. ChatGPT actually did that for me, right? Oh, it still doesn't work. In the sense, at least that it's not overriding whatever the mouse is doing. That's for sure. What should I do then? I guess I can make it unplayable through the mouse. You know, how about that? Mm. Hmm. But I wonder about this one. I don't know. They're any different at all, I guess. Yeah, we use this guy. So what would that matter? Or okay, I just need to print a message whenever I get here. Debug. Wait, in. Let's see if that works. We're not in. We're not in. We're not in name distance. I guess what is the output of that thing? Yeah, this is the real question. That it? Does it need the function thing? No, it's not even moving actually. I broke it more. Mouse working. Gamepad not working. Gamepad even connected now? Okay, how about I get rid of this? Now I can move. Funnily enough, now I can move. Yeah, that is the one. Vertical and horizontal. Oh, does that work? I don't want this. I don't want this either. I guess I'm gonna leave it. Don't want that, you know. Controller not gonna work, eh? Mouse is fine, right? Just does not work. Hmm. Just look good, man. Yeah, I guess the only way I can put it. Let's see what the oracle says. Okay, that's pretty good. Check it out. Check it out. Hey. How about that? You did that. Wait, does that even work, man? That doesn't even work. Text, I guess, doesn't even work. Oh, like that. Probably see that down there. Okay, that's constantly 0. Oh, and now it's a number. Okay. There you go. So that works. Okay, now can you do it with aim? Okay, so distance there, but there is no direction there, but there's no distance. What I understood, huh? Oh man, I gotta print so many. Yeah, distance not there at all. Why? Hmm. axis. Yeah. Oh. It's because it's working out. With the other one, like the movement one is working just fine. That is the most suspicious part, man. Oh, there you go. He knows either side. Let's see that. How about that? You gonna give it to me? Okay, now he moves upside down and they're still getting up. You just let him. You just let him. It didn't. Yeah. No, just zero, eh? No 0 point something, just zero. Just a flat zero. Extremely flat zero. Up, down, left, right. Up, down, left, right. Up, down, left, right. Nothing at all. Mm. 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 How the money come out for? So I don't even understand. That's an zero. If I do this, then okay. I guess I'll do that. Okay, we in. Okay, if I do this, but it immediately falls back into. So this actually does not work at all. This check's not working. I mean, if I put it back in the screen mode, probably works. Oh. Oh, that. Maybe the function makes it weird. Immediately, eh? Immediately. It will not stay. Yeah, but if I do the control, it won't work. I forget about it. Mhm. Why? It makes no sense either. It should always be. Should always be this. It always equals that. No, that seems like redundant code. It always technically equals that, right? But then it immediately makes the. See, I understand. You mean? Oh, I see. That works perfect. So this is me moving with just the left pad. And now this is me looking around while moving a different direction. It works pretty good. Now the thing is that the mouse definitely doesn't work. And the keys kind of work. The keys kind of work. And I feel like I guess it should make it work on the keyboard, I guess. At least for playing one. Why doesn't work? That has something to do with this. Not doing the mouse thing. Why is he not doing the mouse thing? Oh shit. How about this? Okay. Right part does take over. Sometimes I want to look right, you notice. Oh yeah, sometimes he looks at whatever the mouse is, huh? Well, like very sometimes. Yeah. Yeah, you see that? That is weird. Okay. Immediately, even if it doesn't change. Is mouse is X and Y? That one immediately failed, man. Whoa! What am I listening to? That is too mild too. Huh? Interesting. Oh damn! Real Madrid playing. They're drawn. It's been 20 minutes. How did they get so many goals? Oh, I guess I gotta go soon, man. It's been an hour and a half already. Oh, but I'm so close to figure out the movement. Oh my god, I'm so close. I'm so close. I just need to figure this out, which is equals front walking, which is ground. There you go. How is that? Okay, I see. If that is like every frame though, that doesn't seem performant at all, man. Let's see. Yeah, I cannot even read face there right now. That's probably gonna fall through, huh? That's hilarious. What is global face direction, man? Okay, so glove version seems to update every second anyways. Oh wait, is that what I did? Oh fuck. It just doesn't run, huh? I gotta think. I need an initial value, I guess. That only happens one time. So it needs a value to start. That should do it. That should do it. Equals 300. If it's like null, I guess, because it is. Maybe it doesn't work like that. I gotta equals. Probably, yeah, this. I don't know how Game Maker deals with that. You guys got a like? Oh, damn, we got 2 viewers? So nice to see you guys. Please let me know if you ever figured this one out yet. Seems like an easy issue, but I'm not figuring it out yet. So it's not a pointer, no. Any. Oh, I can do it the other way. I can do it the other way. Oh, what? What happened? I can put all of this into an S. There you go. How that? And it's just this. How about that? The oldest. Okay. Okay, I need help from the Oracle, guys. I need help from the Oracle. I have nothing I can do anymore. Alright, alright. You messing up of it, but I need help. This. Let's give it to him. Let's let the Oracle decide what the mistake is. Okay, let me think. Let me think. This doesn't seem to work at all. Not fixing the problem I have. What is this? This bar here, current event, object main character. Whatever. Yeah, because I can technically many events. Want to create? Okay. Yeah, create event. Let's see. Oh. Okay. So I can't have like a constructor type of thing. It's just go create. Does that do it? Does that do it? Okay. Okay, and then with the alright, mouse position still working. And it's not looking at the mouse at all, except for when I move it, which is pretty good. Yeah, the keyboard works perfect. Okay, if I'm looking up and right, it doesn't want to do a thing. That's it. Okay, okay. Okay, that's the right priority. And then sometimes when I'm looking up and right, let me check that. So if I'm working up, so back walking. Yeah, I'm sure enough because it's the else anyways. I guess I need another LC for this guy. Yeah, at least for keyword, it's gonna be not gonna be working quite right if I don't do this. What the hell? That didn't work either. Lower than 45, isn't that it? I guess it's printing. I can see what is what it actually is. Fair enough. Let's see. It is technically in between. Let me see it again. 350. Yeah, lower than 45, greater than 315. Let's see it. Not doing the thing with the mouse for some reason. It's just not changing the direction. But it does it with the controller though. I guess might be both technically. Yeah, that is a problem. It's one or. Yeah, for be specific. Yeah, fair enough. Fair enough. I understand. I understand. Let's see that does. This is weird. It's just not taking input on that side. Perfect on this guy. But D. still working just fine now. It's exactly 45. Okay, that's giving me trouble. Okay, to 25 is not wrong too, eh? There we go. That way keep it consistent and that should be it. Alright, alright. I do want to watch at least the Arsenal game, guys. You know, today's a big day for the Champions League. And apparently we did get 2 viewers at some point. Also for the 2 viewers, thank you so much for showing up. This has been the longest stream so far, so feeling pretty good about it. Pretty good hustle. And I'll see you in the next one. Have a good night. Take care.